Hello guys, welcome to Coding Hub. So today I am going to show you another program in if-else, which is a famous program of quadratic equation. So this program is based on how to calculate the root of the equation provided. Okay, so the standard form of quadratic equation is expressed in this form, that is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers. This does not belongs to 0. That means its value is not 0. So for this equation, we have to calculate the root with the help of Siddhacharya formula. So this is a Siddhacharya formula in order to calculate the root of the equation, that is x equals to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by ac. So to calculate the root, what we have to do at first? We have to calculate the determinant. So what is determinant? Determinant is b square minus 4ac. At first we have to calculate this. There is few conditions for calculating the roots. The first, if the determinant is greater than 0, that means if this is greater than 0, that means this value is not 0, we will get two real roots, because here we have plus minus. That means the root gives basically two values, positive as well as negative. So we will get two values. For this, for root, if it is greater than 0, we get real and unequal, and two value we will get, two roots we will get. The first root is at minus b plus square root of this determinant divided by 2a, and minus b minus square root of determinant slash 2a. So this is the first and this is the second. Next, if this portion gets 0, then the roots are real and equal. So for this case, we'll get the roots are real. Okay. So for this, we will get minus b slash 2 into a. So if this gets 0, if this portion gets 0, we will left with this portion only. Okay. If our determinant is less than 0, that means this entire root comes to an imaginary. If it is all the values, if we get, then it will be imaginary root. So this was the theoretical portion to understand our problem. So let's begin. Let's start. So here is the code which I have made. So input java.util.aesthetics class testing. This is the testing I have given. You can give anything. Public static void main string out double, since it will be giving a point value, decimal value, we require double. So D stand for, here I used a variable d for calculating the determinant, and a, b, c are the real numbers, and r1 is the first root, r2 is the second root. Clear? Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So for user input we use scanner. System.out.println enter a, that is the first real number, then enter b, second real number. System.out.println c, enter third real number. We are using double, so this is the conversion. This is a wrapper class, you can see, which have been used. So this is a wrapper class, as we have know that. So determinant is equal to math.pow. This is very important portion. Math.pow. What is this? For calculating this root. Okay, so for that I am using math.pow, that is b comma 2, that is b square. Okay, math.power is only responsible for b square. So for b square, instead of writing b into b, we can write math.power b comma raised the power 2. So power is going to be, what is the power? If it is b cube, we will write b comma 3. So this is the way we can use math.power instead of b into b. Minus 4 into c. This is the formula for determinant, that is b square minus 4ac, which is represented in this form. Now the condition comes. If d is greater than 0, that means what? We'll get first root and we'll get second root. So for how to calculate this particular thing, that is the main challenging thing. So r1 is equal to minus b. Then I have used method square to. Why? Because for root we use in Java math.sqrt function. So this function is going to calculate the square root of determinant, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, so this is the way we can calculate. R2 is equal to minus b method, only sign is going to be changed. If it is positive, then it will be negative for second root. Okay, so this was for if the roots are real and unequal. Okay, now if the roots are real and equal, so this is a condition. If d is equal to 0, that means our determinant is 0. That means this particular portion is going to be getting 0. No any positive and negative value will be supplied for this. This portion gets 0. We are left with minus b's divided by 2 into a. Okay, this portion we will left. So we will get only one root for this. So minus b slash 2 into a system dot first root is equal to r1. We are printing this r1. Okay. Else if it is less than 0, it means that it is an imaginary root. Okay. So let me execute it and show you the output for this, so that it will be very much clear for you. Okay, let me show you testing. There is a testing. Okay, let me give the values. What values we can give? We can give 1, 5, 2. So this is the root, as you can see. This is something printing mistake is that type I have done. First root it is showing. It should. Let me check whether I have done any mistake. Yes, I have done mistake over here. That it will be what? Second, because 2 roots we will getting, right? Control S. Okay, compile it again. Close it, and let me check whether we are getting or not the supplied one. Let me cut this one. Okay, let me run it again. 1, 5, 2. Yes, this is the value which you are getting for first root and for the second root. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please do subscribe my channel, and if any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe my channel.